Last week, I had the opportunity to meet with an attorney from Land Legal, which is a national organization devoted to protecting the rights of the LGBTQIA+ and HIV positive communities. So first and foremost about marriage equality, Obergefell is probably going to be overturned in the next few years. However, there is another act called the Respect for Marriage Act that will protect your current marriage. Okay, so if you're already married, you're good. If you're in a same-sex marriage, do all of the durable power of attorney, financial, medical, all the things, get all the powers of attorneys done and completed just as a little bit of backup for you. The other thing that they recommended was potentially getting married again in a liberal state where it is very unlikely that your marriage will be redacted or overturned or questioned or anything like that. Here in Texas, the state legislature has 205 anti-LGBTQIA+ bills before the House and Senate. So, if you go and get married in another state, then whatever happens with those bills, you are double protected. So the next thing that they had to say had to do with transgender rights. You have until September 1st to go get any sort of gender marker changes made or any sort of name changes made to a preferred name, right, that is in alignment with your gender. So you have until September 1st here in Texas to go get those changes made. After that, I'm not really sure what happens, but before that, you can still do it. However, do it in Travis County. Don't do it in one of these random, rural counties that are surrounding, like Williamson County, Bell County, stuff like that. Go do it in Travis County. Get 2 copies so that you have one to take to the DPS or wherever you need to go, and then the other one for yourself. Now, even if our DPS will not change your last name or change your gender marker, what you can still do is if you were to ever move, right? If you were to move out of state, this ruling still follows you. So you can have it changed. So let's say it's 10 years from now, you've had this legal change made and you moved to New Mexico or California or some other, Colorado, right? Some other state. They will respect and honor that change. So it's still valuable for the rest of your life, really, to have it with you because you never know, how things might go. So anyway, the final piece is that become a member of PFLAG National. If you don't have one locally, if you have one locally, become a member of that one. Get active with it. Okay, we have it at Spectacular PFLAG Georgetown. I will tag them in this video so that you can go follow them because PFLAG is one of the oldest advocacy groups in Texas, and actually Land Legal partnered with PFLAG National to get an injunction on minors receiving gender affirming care. And so everyone who was a member of PFLAG National, at least, was included in their class action lawsuit. Now, that will also continue for any sort of transgender stuff or LGBT stuff that might get fought in court. They will legally protect all of their members, but you have to be an official member. It's like $50 a year. If you can't afford it, they have scholarships. Money is never a barrier to joining PFLAG. I know our local PFLAG Georgetown just found out from Sherry Brodell, who is a killer, amazing president, so active, so passionate. She is a mom just like me, Mama Bear. They have scholarships to pay for it. It's a line item in their budget that there is money for people who need this care, need this access to pay for it. So if you can't afford it, that is not an excuse, y'all. Go join your national PFLAG or your local PFLAG or PFLAG Georgetown. I mean, we're always trying to grow too. So go do that. We have free programs for allies, for trans individuals, for LGBT broadly speaking, and then for parents of youth under 22, we have a group just for you. So that you can come get your feelings out, get supported in a way that you need as a parent in this current world, right? We got you. I look forward to seeing you later this month. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye.